Today we're going to build a Lambda package for the pymysql library. I'm currently building this package using the Windows environment, but if you'd like to see instructions for Linux or Mac, please see the link in the description down below. Today we'll accomplish this task by creating a working folder, installing the pymysql library, and then we'll compress this package using 7-zip. Let's get started. To start, we'll create a working directory for our Lambda package. We do that by issuing the command mkdir lambda function, and then we enter that directory. Next, we use pip to install the pymysql package into this working directory. Pip install pymysql -t, which is for the target location, and we'll enter the current location. Next, we'll copy in our application source code. I've created this stub file called lambdafunction.py that only contains an import to the pymysql library. We're not reading records just yet, but we will build on this project later. So we copy this file into our Lambda function working directory. We can compress this into a Lambda function package by selecting each one of the objects, right-click, 7-zip, add to lambda function.zip. Opening the web console, selecting our Lambda function that we've previously created, we can view the contents of the package, and we see that we do not have pymysql, nor do we have our import statement for pymysql. We select upload zip, select upload, navigate to the package folder, and select the zip file that we created, and click Save. After the screen refreshes, we can now see that the pymysql library has been installed, as well as our updated package, our updated Lambda function file. We can tell by the import statement here. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel. It really helps. Ring the YouTube bell or follow me on Twitter to be notified of future videos. If there's a topic you'd like me to cover, please add the request in the comments section below. Until next time.